Chocolaterie ice cream place. So we'll just park here, and it's a short walk down to the place. I've got no idea what to expect except being fed chocolate or ice cream. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. Make you walk a mile for chocolate. Yeah, we've got a nice garden here as well. Lovely surroundings. Okay, so right, talk about chocolates.
Which one?
I think you get the idea. There's chocolates everywhere. And here at the end is a bit of a coffee shop and snack bar. So anything you need, you can get. Here you can make. Here you can see the chocolate coating of strawberries. Fed into a runner, and go through a drying machine. I guess, yeah, you can see them in there through a little window. Then they eventually come out the other end. It's quite a long machine. And then there's lots of other stuff happening in there. People doing various things, I guess, with different machinery.